Hi, I'm Lisa Clark. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Series 560 Breakaway Connector from DCD Design. These connectors are intended as mechanical overload protection for use when installing cable, ducting, gas line, or pipe. DCD Breakaway Connectors are a three-part product held together by a group of pins which are designed to break in tension at a specific load, plus or minus 5%. The assembly of the connector is completed by using one or more of the breakaway pins. DCD breakaway connectors are available in two sizes. The smaller unit covers values from 750 pounds to 12,500 pounds, while the larger unit covers values from 3,000 pounds to 45,000 pounds. Metric pins are also available in a variety of kilogram load ratings. The breakaway pins are supplied in bags containing 5 color-coded pieces. Every package of pins is marked with a traceability number so the individual testing and proofing of each batch can be reconstructed. Now let's look at how to install the pins in the unit. First, you have to determine your required break value and then consult the load distribution tables included with the product to find the proper pin combination. Ensure that all of the parts are clean. Insert the pin chamber into the body, locating the alignment pin into the small drilled hole. Screw the required breakaway pins in the proper locations. It is important not to over-tighten the pins and to ensure they are assembled in a symmetrical manner. Be sure to tighten the locking set screw as well. And that's all there is to it. With the breakaway connector fully assembled, you are ready to start pulling. Keep in mind that the breakaway pins should be used only once because elongation and stretching of the pins may occur during the first use. DCD breakaway connectors are a unique, patented, and trustworthy product. They are extremely versatile and can easily be reset from one value to another, allowing the same tool to be used for installation of many different duct sizes. Contact us today for pricing and more information on our breakaway connectors.